I would go fuck on your bitch, but I already did. OPM baby, loading the Glock, all on that fin. Upside down, across on my chain, cause all I know is sin. Got some news from your main thing, and send it to my bros in the pen. Little bitch, she skin, cursing.
YouTube, fuck it, we running it back, man. Part 2 to the headlight video. We about to work on these bad boys once again. Right now it's hard, but we about to make this bitch ×2. We about to, I ain't even gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna just surprise y'all. I'm gonna see if I can film the process, if it don't take too long to like the last time. But yeah, we about to run them back a part 2. As y'all can see, it look nice right now, but we about to turn this bitch up, bro. We about to turn this shit up. Now that I actually know what I'm doing, we about to turn this shit up, bro. So y'all boys stay tuned. I'm about to take all the bolts out from the bumper, you know, just to prep it up for tomorrow. And let me show y'all boys, hold on. I got everything right here. Y'all boys stay tuned, man.
Tomorrow.
So I started this morning at today is Friday, March 8th. I think I started at 11. I took a couple breaks to eat and shit, but I'm just now finishing and it's 10:30 at night. So it took me 12 hours. Hey, at least it took me less than last time, bro. And this time it actually came out way better than I expected. So I don't know if y'all, hold on. Let me get this right real quick. I don't know if y'all remember, but last time I didn't have this. To get this, all you gotta do is remove the high beam plate, and then I just use some plexiglass and some vinyl for the honeycomb pattern. And then I swapped out the black honeycomb pattern that I had that was terrible for the white outline honeycomb pattern. And I switched out the eyebrows for some RGB eyebrows also. And I got some RGB crescent lights. So it came out way better. I need to get a new logo, bro. My logo is blown out. If y'all got any logos and y'all want to donate, feel free to donate. You feel me? But yeah, bro, this is how it look now. I'm about to go to the gas station, try to get some clips. This not gonna be no long video, or maybe I might throw a POV in there because I might go to the beach tomorrow. So yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so it's indeed the next day, and we have the headlights, man. The new and improved V2 headlights, you feel me? I went full RGB brown. I deleted the high beam plate, put some plexiglass, and use a vinyl cutter, got the hexagon honeycomb pattern. That shit fire, bro. I'm still deciding if I want to take this off, but for right now, I'm gonna leave it on. So it's cool for right now. I still need to get a replacement logo, but it's cool, man. I fuck with it. This shit hard as hell, bro. But look who we got over here. What you doing, man?
Walking the motherfucking boat. A lot of shit look better, bro. Bro, I'm about me a damn car coming, man.
Oh, what?
I'm bought me a car cover, bro.
Car cover?
Yeah, bro. Every time I wake, I wash the car, wake up, shit dirty. If it ain't burn shit, it's
My boy's gonna tap in. Man, fuck it. This shit is so tough, man. The build coming along so far so good, man. So far so good. Next thing I'm getting is coils, bro. Look at this. I could fit my fist in here, bro. This shit is crazy. Yep. That shit's so tough. Like a little gremlin. Like a little gremlin.
Just finish my shit. Come on, pull my shit over there. You know,
Alright. Get your jacket.
car YouTube coming soon, man.
You sure about that?
Yeah, bro. You inspired me, bro.
Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. Just the other day, he was on the phone about to cry, talking about saying he not a car dude for real, and his happiness is in the gym. Stay in the gym, man.
I lost hope, bro. I lost motivation.
Get the people some revs.
Oh, you said what?
Get the people some revs real quick.
I got you.
Okay. It's alright, shit. I'm obsessed, bro. I'm obsessed, bro.
That shit hard, bro.
It's so tough.
That shit hard as fuck.
I'm too obsessed with it.
All you need is this, man. That's it.
Yeah, cause it just looked like I'm missing something. Cause I disconnected this already. Cause it was only this side working. This side wasn't working, so I just disconnected both of them so it could just look even. Instead of just having one daytime running light on and one daytime running light off. So, yeah, but the sequential still work though. The turn signals and shit still work on there. I'm gonna eventually get some new ones. I'm gonna go full RGB, bro. I'm gonna buy the whole kit. I'm gonna buy the emblem, the side skirts, and the side mirrors.
What you do that shit?
My shit gonna be a light show. I was telling I'm getting coils next. Coils is a must, bro. It's a must.
You gotta swap this though.
Hell yeah.
This shit too. Go ahead and give the people some bread, bro. You gonna block your license plate out? Yeah. That shit hard. What the fuck? That's what I did with mine. That shit hard. What the fuck? That shit hard, bro.
Damn, boy. I need a paint correction.
Hey, I'm gonna swing my shit over there.
Alright. Damn, man. The build coming along, bro. I'm happy as So we about to move our cars. Damn, it's hot in this car. Woo. But yeah, we about to move our cars. Hold up. Let me get up out of here real quick. Oh, I could just go this way. Just go this way. key, you park however you want. Damn, man. This. Oh my God, bro. I can't stop looking at it, bro. Damn. This is so tough, man.
It's a good day to hop up the scale.
Stop it.
Manifestation, bro.
Alright. You got it with that. Manifestation.
That's not how I've been rocking the keychain lane you gave me, bro. That's your team for what, 2 years?
Yeah. Let me show them boys the stars real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Look at this lover boy.
Cheers.
This big ass bear in the front seat, bro. It's tough. If only if my stars came out flush like this, bro. I gotta redo mine. No cap. Look at this. Look at my roof, bro. I'm showing y'all the imperfections because I fuck with y'all, for real. Look at this. Like, bro, I fucked up so bad, man. I got it on the sunroof and shit, but damn, man, I fucked up. I cut it too, like, I didn't cut it, like, long enough, bro. I cut it too short. So that's why I look like that. But yeah, man, I think that's about it for this video. If y'all boys like this video, like the video. Y'all boys want to subscribe. Join the Q50 journey. Join the car journey, actually, because this channel not only going to be about cars no more, but I mean, it's still going to be about the Q, like the Q journey and stuff, but eventually, like when I get up there and I start upgrading and stuff, I'm going to bring y'all along with me and all that, you feel me? Until I get my dream car, the Corvette C8. But yeah, man, y'all boys like the video. I love y'all boys. Appreciate the support. And coil install video coming soon, bro. I gotta buy my coils. I'm gonna take it to my dogs and they go put it in for me and I'll make a video out of it. So yeah, like I said, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.